In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use prepaid MasterCard online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a prepaid MasterCard or a standard gift card from them, you will be able to redeem it on all sorts of places and stores. You will be able to use it just like any other debit or credit card. It doesn't matter if it is a physical or digital one that was sent to you by email. All that you will need is the full card number, expiration date, and security code. If you have a physical card, which usually will be sent by mail and it is a plastic gift card, it will be printed onto the card itself. So you will have the full 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and security code, which you use to make purchases. And if you have a digital one, that information will also be sent to you, usually attached to the email. Make sure to call any needed phone numbers to activate the card beforehand if needed, and after that is done, you can proceed to checkout on any store that accepts debit or credit cards. So an example would be Amazon. You just go over here, add any item to your card, and when you proceed to checkout under the payment method, just add a new credit or debit card. There is no secret to this. Then you fill out the necessary information like I described previously. You will input the full card number, the name on the card, expiration date, and security code. By inputting all of this, the card will be verified, and as long as it has enough balance, it will be accepted as the payment method. There is no secret to this, and any online store that accepts a standard debit or credit card will take the prepaid card that you are using. If this does not work, as I mentioned earlier, make sure to call any number printed in the card or activate it through a specific website. As long as the card is activated, it has enough balance, and you use the valid information of the card, it will be accepted as a standard payment method. I hope I was able to help you on how to use prepaid MasterCard online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.